Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get quarters in Excel. Understanding how to categorize dates into quarters is incredibly useful for financial reporting and data analysis. It allows you to group your data into meaningful 3-month segments, making trends and performance easier to track. We will explore 2 straightforward methods to achieve this, ensuring your spreadsheets are always organized and insightful. One effective way to determine the quarter is by using the ceiling math function. First, extract the month number from your date using the month function. Then, divide this month number by 3. Finally, apply ceiling math to round that result up to the nearest whole number, giving you the correct quarter from 1 to 4. This method is concise and very efficient. Another powerful approach involves combining the choose and month functions. The month function provides a number from 1 to 12 for your date. You then use this number as an index for the choose function, which has a list of 12 quarter labels. This allows you to directly assign Q1, Q2, Q3, or Q4 to each month. It offers great flexibility for custom quarter naming. Knowing how to extract quarters in Excel is a game changer for many tasks. It's perfect for analyzing sales performance across different periods, tracking project milestones, or preparing quarterly financial statements. These techniques empower you to transform raw date data into actionable insights, making your reports more structured and easier to understand for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.